In this video, we will learn how to configure and use the OCR feature in profile fields in uKnowva HRMS. Let's get started. OCR in profile fields is an AI-powered feature that automatically extracts information from uploaded documents and populates the relevant employee profile fields within the system. To begin, navigate to the top right corner of the page and click on your profile icon. From the drop-down menu, select uKnowva Configuration to open the System Configuration panel. Now, from the left side menu, click on Profile Field Manager. This section displays all the existing profile fields available in your system and allows you to create new fields or modify existing ones. To configure OCR, click on the plus icon to create a new profile field. A pop-up window will appear for field configuration. Start by entering a suitable field name, such as Upload PAN card. Next, select the field type as single attachment, since OCR processing works with uploaded documents. You can select a suitable field group, such as employment information, to organize the field properly within the employee profile. Now continue configuring additional settings, such as whether the field should be unique, published, required, or searchable. You can also configure visibility, access level, and edit permissions based on your organization's requirements. Once the basic field setup is completed, locate the Enable OCR option and set it to Yes. This activates OCR functionality for the attachment field. Next, in the Document Type field, select PAN card as the OCR document type. The document type helps the OCR engine understand the format of the uploaded document and extract the correct information accurately. Now configure the Data Extraction Configuration section. This configuration defines how the OCR extracted data will be mapped to profile fields inside the system. For example, when a PAN card is uploaded, the OCR engine can extract details such as the PAN number and automatically populate the mapped profile field. It is important that the configured profile field matches the type of information available in the uploaded document. For instance, if the selected OCR document type is PAN card, then the mapped profile field should correspond to PAN-related information such as PAN number. This alignment ensures accurate data extraction and automatic population of employee records. After reviewing all settings, click on the Save button to apply the configuration. Once saved, the OCR-enabled profile field becomes available across the system and can be used during onboarding, recruitment, employee profile updates, and other HR processes. To see it in action, open any employee profile and click on Edit Profile. Locate the OCR-enabled profile field you created and upload the PAN card document. The OCR engine will automatically scan the document and extract the configured information into the mapped profile fields. That's it! You now know how to use the OCR feature in profile fields in uKnowva HRMS. Thank you for watching.